What's up, guys? The paint's already drying on it. Ugh. All the flaws I did yesterday because it was dark. A lot of flaws. Yeah, no! That one. You gotta wipe it out, wipe it out. Make sure no one sees, make sure no one sees. It'll dry. You spin a little bit. I can't help that. Well, I got spray painted over that. I spray painted over a lot of stuff for reals. Today I'm just going to be spray painting that and spray painting most of some of these, if y'all see. Well, get to doing. Yeah, I think that one turned out awesome. One did too. Blacked out. I'm blacked out. Hey, I'm blacked out. Da-dum, da-dum. Wow, there's water in here. Da-dum, 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 da-dum. Oh, guess so. And am I right? No, a little bit more. A little bit more. Yeah, just a little bit more. I'll get back to you. I'll have this cover off. And I'll get back to you when I get that bolt. Found the bolt. Friend might help me today. Oh, get back to you when I get there. Now it's connected to there. There's about to be fuel everywhere. See? There's about to be fuel everywhere, guys. I'll get back to you when I get the casting off. There we go. There we go. Look at all that dirt. It's off. So you do undo all the gas out of it. Like that. Okay, like that. And you stick it upside down. Do the young ones. And you let it flow. And it ain't getting no gas. Is it coming out? Why ain't it coming out? Why ain't that coming out? You get no gas. I just decided to take the whole thing off. It was clogged up. The gas. All that nasty gas. See all the gas run out. All them juices for gas. I'll get all the gas out. Hooray, I got it open. Finally. Finally. Take you. Take you. What's this? Oh, you're heavy. Oh, you're about to kill my finger. You're definitely heavy. So, I'll get back to you when I'm starting the paint. Off first. So, open it. Put that down for a second, open it. I haven't opened yet. Ah, no, ow. so bad. Go off. So I'll put you back when I get done. Now, take y'all through this process. So you grab your thing, soak it up. Oh, Jesus. Like that. Let's start wiping. Start wiping. This will get all that scratches off and stuff. So I'll get back to you when I get done doing that. No, I ain't using it. Yeah. Oh, dumb. Use this dustpan. Get all the scratches off. Soak the thing off from that. Oh, God. You gotta soak it off. It's all in there. And you gotta scrub and get all that paint off. Some of the paint. Paint you don't need on there. So I'll get back to you when I get done. Hey, well, it looks like someone painted it. Tried to anyway. Well, he messed up badly. Well, not today. It's a good day. It ain't gonna slide. If it slides, I'll be mad. First, I gotta tape up the seams in it. So I'll get back to you when I'm doing it. Yeah. Got it covered up. Gotta flip her over. Gotta wipe her off again. You know, you can't get nothing in the gas. No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. It's good. Can't get nothing in the gas. Well, I knew I had that paper for a reason. And you grab your little paper. And you walk over here. And tear off a good slice of it. Spread it up. Stick it on there. You'll just paint that. You'll paint over. I'm just gonna put tape on it. Sorry. Tape's on it. Gotta grab my paper towel. Bring it over. Here. I go down for a minute. Paper towel. Wipe it off. You gotta wipe it. Shiny. Someone did try to spray paint it. Didn't do a good job though. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the primer on it. Cause I actually did go at that time. I ain't showing y'all. I'm only showing y'all what's on it right now, and I'll show y'all when it's all done. I'm gonna paint that off camera though. That one. Put my watch back on. Go ahead and wipe it down. Did good. No, I ain't have it on nothing, but make sure you get it from far distance. First coat of primer. I'll be back in a second. I've got the first coat of primer on it. Let that dry. Probably will have a box next time y'all see me. But I'll be back in a second. First coat of primer's dry. Second coat's going on. You always see that. Do a heavy coat this time. I'll get back to you when I'm done. This thing already look better. Already. I'm gonna let this dry. Put it back over and get the coat. And then clear coat, so. Tons of scuff marks. So I have to put another coat on it. Oh yeah. Where's the cap for it at? I'm gonna go ahead and tape this little critter up with it. There it is. I'm gonna take this little critter up and I'm gonna paint her black. Okay. Tape her black, paint her black. Why not? painting this thing. Yeah. That looks like a gas cap. She's a painted critter. That's painted too. Now we're gonna go. I'm on 15%. We're gonna go check on this. Well, I'll give it to you one time. Yeah, some parts are dry, but I'm going ahead and paint it. I'm gonna go what's in it. This is the first time I'm gonna get the other one. I'm gonna use the rest of this. That ain't much. I'll use it for something else. Open this thing up. Whole brand new bottle. Told you I had more. Let's count. Yeah. That's right. It's gonna be a good day, I hope. I'm going ahead and spray paint this. I'll get back to you. My phone dies. There will be a video out today. Camera dies. Get back to you when first note. I'm doing only first coat on the thing. Oh, it's gonna look good on there. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do some stuff off camera, like me cleaning this up and spray painting this, cause I got more day left, so I'm gonna get some of that done today. I'll probably post it on Snapchat and Instagram. But like, comment, and subscribe if you like this series of the bike, cause I'm about done with it. And please subscribe, and time for the coat. Please subscribe and subscribe for more, and bye. Not bye. I actually gotta put all the coat on and put it on the bike real quick and show y'all. Okay, goodbye. No, I'm gonna let it. No, I'm gonna put the coat on. Yeah. Last coat done. So 5% lighting. Oh my god. And that's what it looks like. It's dry, so I'll put the clear coat on real quick. Alright, I'm putting a heavy clear coat on too. Heck no, I'm not putting a heavy clear coat on. I need to go get close to it. Yeah, I just put a picture at the end of the. Ooh, crap. I just put a picture at the end of it. So like, comment, and subscribe. That's gonna be mostly whole black, cause it looks good that way. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, and I'll be get done. And at the end of this video, I will post a picture of the gas tank on. So, a little tiny video. My phone's 2%. Well, like, comment, and subscribe, and that looks awesome. You're gonna like it when it's all done. So like, comment, subscribe, and bye.